Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to enable web browsing in Claude AI. So this feature might already be toggled on for you, but if it's not, I'm going to show you where to find it and how to turn it on. So to start with, you need to go to Claude AI and go to a new chat. And from there, you're going to click on the plus icon. So different options come up. So you should see a section that says web search. So if you don't see a tick next to it, you can click on that. And when you click again, you can see it's ticked. So that means web browsing is turned on. So now when I ask Claude a question, they can search the web for the most up-to-date info. So I can say something like, tell me the latest AI news today, and Claude will search the web for the latest information. So you can see it's searching the web then. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.